Guys, with Bitcoin taking a bit of a breather, about to go below 60,000, and Ethereum about to go below 3,900, guys, what are we seeing form right now? Is this altcoin season about to be in effect? I'm going to be discussing that in today's video. I'm also going to be doing a technical analysis to see if Dogecoin is headed up or down. So you're definitely going to want to stick around until the end of the video. What's up guys, I'm Joel and I'm an expert at technical analysis. With 13 years experience, I call out huge plays before they even happen, and I'm very accurate as you've seen in my previous videos. Due to high demand, I now offer my buy and sell trade signals, and if you haven't joined my Patreon already, it's incredibly inexpensive and invaluable. It's in the top pinned comment, and that's how you get my buy and sell trade signals. As I watch the charts throughout the day on a lot of different cryptos, I wait for that steep dip. That rare time to buy in when all the whales have sold out, when there's only about 5 or 10 minutes to get in. I let you guys know that I'm ready to buy so that you guys can buy in as well. I then watch the charts and wait for a peak, but we've at least made 20 to 30% profits, oftentimes double or more. I let you guys know that I'm ready to sell so that you guys can sell as well, or hold your position. And congratulations to all my patrons who have been taking my buy and sell trade signals, because we've made a lot of money. Guys, it doesn't matter if you only have $50, $100, or $200 to invest, it's never too little. I've seen successful patrons start with those amounts time and time again. And if you haven't already subscribed with the bell rung, be sure to do that so you don't miss my time-sensitive daily Dogecoin uploads. And if you love cryptocurrencies, smash that like button, it really does help out the channel. Guys, on the Bitcoin charts, we see that we're due for a bounce very soon. However, if it continues to go down, guys, this could mean altcoin season is clearly in effect, and you want to be positioned very well before this happens. We could go as low as $54,000 here just within the next couple of weeks, as we see Ethereum, Dogecoin, Shiba, and a lot of our other favorite altcoins pump massively. Guys, this is completely normal because with every healthy bull run, we have to have a cool down corrections period. It was overdue, and we've been expecting this, and that's why in every single video I've been letting you guys know that any second now we could see these altcoins pump, and we could be right in the middle of altcoin season. After a 10% correction that we're seeing on the Bitcoin and Ethereum charts, this offers the perfect time to buy in at this kind of dip, because we are going to head up right from here. And like I said, this was to be expected for the whales and institutions to take profits around this point in time. Because you have to remember, a lot of them bought into Bitcoin when it was just $28,000 earlier this year. Ethereum when it was $1,700 earlier this year, and that's what I let you guys know about on my Patreon when I did see those prices, so you've over doubled your money by now if you bought at that trade signal. Guys, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. It's simply my opinion based on my experience and software. And if you don't yet have a platform to buy and sell cryptocurrencies on, I highly recommend using my Webull link in the top pinned comment. Because I have such a good relationship with Webull, if you deposit $100 or more, you get 2 free stocks worth up to $4,000 each. You can liquidate that, send that straight to your bank account, or buy cryptos with it. A huge news article came out titled, "Some Strategists See Bitcoin at $100,000 by Year's End." Now that the Bitcoin Futures ETF has been released, of course we were to see a bit of a cooldown corrections phase just thereafter. After it hit nearly $70,000 of Bitcoin, an all-time high, guys, it is not out of the question for us to see Bitcoin at $100,000+ just by the end of this year. And since the altcoins historically outperform Bitcoin, you want to be positioned very well when altcoin season hits, and those pump 3 to 10x just by the end of this year. Guys, just because we had a good bit of a dip, it doesn't mean that it's time to sell, because we are clearly still on our bull run. Of course, we had a bit of a dip, but pit stops are completely normal, and we will head up straight from here. You want a dollar cost average, putting about 10% in each and every time of your overall investment when I call out the dips. That way you're making money on average with each and every trade. Guys, when we reach our cycle top, I'm going to be letting you guys know so that you know when to sell your Bitcoin and move them on over to the altcoins so that you can make money on those as well. And guys, as we take a look at the Dogecoin charts, you can see after we headed down from there, we had a cup and handle. We had a double bottom as well, and of course we went up straight from there because that is a very bullish symbol. We've been consolidating a bit, trading sideways. We were coming down, hitting the bottom a couple times, and then we headed up from there. So consistently seeing higher highs and higher lows on this clear uptrend right here, we know that we are continuing to go up for Dogecoin. Sure, we're taking a bit of a breather, but this allows us to buy at the dips. This volatility is what allows us to get in at the dips and then to sell at the peaks so that I can keep you guys up to date with what I'm doing. So if you haven't already joined my Patreon, it's incredibly inexpensive and invaluable. It's in the top pinned comment, and that's how you get my buy and sell trade signals. And if you don't yet have a platform to buy and sell cryptocurrencies on, I highly recommend using my Webull link in the top pinned comment. And if you haven't already subscribed with the bell rung, be sure to do that so you don't miss my time-sensitive daily Dogecoin uploads. And I'll see you tomorrow.